How to get this mockup on Figma? First of all, close this out, open Figma, go to Figma community, search the dashboard. Oh, search for dashboards. Any dashboard you like, pick one. Shout out to the creator of this one. You know, duplicate. Yeah, duplicate. I'm going to be duplicate. Duplicate again. Select the black one inside. Hold Alt, drag your mouse, then let go of the mouse. I don't like the background. Personal preference. Delete. Send this to the back. Get this the wireframe. Change the background so you can easily see because it's all white rectangle. Oh, cool. Get this. Hit key on your keyboard. Shrink, tilt, bring back, shrink, tilt. Get the dark one. Shrink, drag it into the main frame, shrink it again, tilt it, looks alright. Hit the white one. If the white one you want forward, go to your effects panel, look for shadow. I'm going to select the book looking icon and put on chakra UI. Use it as a shadow, bring front, send this is already back, shrink again, change the angles, bring this forward, change the angles again, and voila, have the mockup we're looking for on Figma.